Honorable Judge, beloved principal, parents, all my dear friends, good morning to all. Today, the topic of speech is why I love my father and mother. Love my father very much. My parents are like good person, good. They teach me good manner. Like my parents are superheroes. My parents are like reading books. They are best friends. That are me. I am proud of lovely parents. Thank you. Have a good day.